Hi guys, my name is Omar. Today we talk about the great cricket player. 1961 in Victoria, Melbourne, a child was born who is known as the King of Spain in the world cricket. His name is Shane Warne. Shane Warne played his first match in 1984 under 16 for Melbourne Cricket Club University. When there was an off-season of cricket in 1987, Shane Warne played 5 matches with St Kilda Football Club under 19. Apart from cricket, he was also very good at football. He finally got his first debut in 1991. He played his first debut for Victoria in 1991 and was included in the Australia team that toured Zimbabwe in September. In the second match of tour, he took 7 wickets with 41 runs and won the team. Shane Warne played his first ODI debut on 23 of March 1993 against New Zealand. He proved to be quite a dangerous bowler in the match and played an important role in 1999. And next to man of the match, Shane Warne continued to play cricket until 2007. In his Test cricket, he took 708 wickets in 145 matches. He took 293 wickets in 194 matches in ODI matches, and he is the player to take 1000 wickets in international cricket. After retirement from cricket, he continued to work in the role of commentator. And on 4th March 2022, he died due to heart attack. He will be remembered in the history as the best spinner in the world. So hope you like the video. Take care. Have a nice day.